Today I'm going to show you how to apply one-click AI edits in Riverside. One-click AI edits over here will allow you to quickly change the quality of your video. So once you're in the editor, go up to the AI tools on the right-hand side. Here you can click on remove pauses. You literally click it and it's done. Remove filler words, click on apply. One click, done. Removal method, have a look over here. You see there's a little eye icon, an information icon that says how filler words are removed. So you cut them out, you mute them, or you use a smart mix of both. Here you can choose what you would like. So you can have silences, or you can just cut them out completely. All right. If you're removing them and muting them, this means that you're going to have silences, and then this means that this should be on. So you can also change the intensity of that silence, so depends on how hard you want that silence to be. Then if you have any fluff, if you're repeating stuff, you can have that removed. You also have some audio one-click AI tools like the Magic Audio, the Smart Mute. So mute anyone that's not talking. Let's say there's a little bit of microphone feedback, a little background noise, whatever it is. You can go ahead and apply this, and it'll mute their mic while they are not actually speaking. You got some visual AI tools over here. There are smart layouts here. Again, you can just hold your cursor over the information icon. This will tell you exactly what each one of them do. You can go ahead and make these changes, click on apply, and then you can animate your clips. You can remix it into an animation. As you can see over here, it's a fantastic little example. And then you can also auto-generate B-roll. All right, so this finds moments and adds AI B-roll to these clips, which I think this is amazing because you can literally just click once and you've got all of these edits done for you.